Hee or hey! We'd like to hear a hee or hey from you all. Hee or hey!
Hee or hey!
Thank you so much. Well, hee or hey in the Lee lingo, that is the Chokri folk songs that we sing. In the tradition of Lee, we start a song and end a song with hee or hey. And hee or hey means welcome or join the song. And this evening, we thank you for allowing us to share our Chokri music with you. And at the same time, we welcome you in the tradition of Lee to join us in our songs. And even as we share some Chakasang songs in Chokri, some English songs, and we will also attempt some Hindi and maybe a Punjabi song along the way. But for us, this evening is not just about performing and sharing the song. It's about all of us getting together and finding some reason for cheer, isn't it?
Yes.
So we'd like to invite you all to join us in all our songs, and let's have an evening to remember in the true spirit of hee or hey.
Hee or hey!
Thank you so much. The song we just sang is called Tokwili.